Before we start, please click the share button. Ayaw kalimot pag-subscribe. Nasa comment section ang link. The recent situation where media and information literacy was useful is during the recent typhoon in the Philippines. Social media became one of the main ways people got news and update. While it be helpful, it also caused confusion because false information spread very quickly. Many posts show older or edited photos from flooding, fake announcements about class suspension, or exaggerated videos from the storm. Some families panic and evacuate even when their areas weren't in danger. The students prepare for the class that were never cancelled. People share these photos without checking their accuracy, which create unnecessary worry and made it harder for local authorities to respond effectively. This is where media and information literacy or MIL become very important. MIL teach people to access, evaluate, and use information responsibly. By checking source, verifying updates from official accounts like Pag-asa or local government units, and thinking critically before sharing anything, we can prevent panic and help others stay informed. MIL allow you to spread facts from rumors, avoid spreading false information, and making safe, smarter decisions during emergency. Media and information literacy isn't just about avoiding fake news. It's about responsible, staying safe, and supporting our communities. During emergency like typhoons, MIL help people respond calmly, prepare properly, and share accurate information with others so many need it. When everyone practice MIL, reliable information reaches the right people at the right time, which can make it a difference in safety and preparedness. In the recent typhoon shows how media and information literacy is essential. By checking source, verifying facts, and thinking critically before sharing, we can protect ourselves, assist our families, and support in our communities. In today's digital world, MIL is a vital skill that ensures people are informed properly and safe.